Hey there, welcome back. If you want to change the language on your Sony Bravia Smart TV, or let's say you accidentally change the language and you just want to get back to the default language in English, then here's how you can do it. So to do that, first thing first, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab my remote. And now I'm in my home page and my default language in English. Well, so now to change the language, you need to navigate to the top and go all the way to the right side. And once you get the settings icon, you need to press OK. And now I'm in my default language in English. Now to change another one, you need to go all the way down from here and then select system settings and then press OK and go down from here. And once you get the language, you need to press OK from here. And here you'll get to see all the available language. So you need to go ahead and find out your preferences language that you would just want to say. For example, I'm just going to say a language in Chinese, let's say. So I'm just going to press OK from here. And here you can see the language has been completely changed. If I get back to my home page, everything has been changed. And now let's say you accidentally change your language and you just want to get back to the English one. Then in case you need to get back to the same settings, now you just go ahead and go to the top and navigate to the settings and go ahead and press OK. And you'll get to see all the settings option. But now you need to find out the option by using the icon. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this option, system settings. And here you can see the icon. So now go ahead and press OK and go all the way down from here and you'll get the language option. And also it's showing up with the English language. So I'm just going to go ahead and press OK from here and then go to the top. Once you get the English, you just go ahead and press OK and your language will get back to the English one or the default one. So guys, this is the way you can easily change the language on your Sony Bravia Smart TV. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do, drop a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one, and thank you very much for watching.